do not bending the lazy cap, the yellow nut, do not bending. And this is the lazy head. Put the lazy head inside of the machine, the power in this place, and then across it. Put inside and fix the screws here. And the other 9 is collected the laser source to the lazy power 24 lazy power, and it has please be careful about the node and the negative. Here is the north side.你来弄，你弄好正极附近你都给我弄出来。Yeah, please be careful the 9 collected with laser power. It has the negative side and the north side. Please make sure it collected with the right of lazy power, negative side and the north side. Be true and be right. If you collected contrary, the laser source won't work. It will be burned. It will be defective. So please make sure it's collected the right way.一般的在那个电源的正负极上面应该也会标正极负极吧？
这上面，
也。你把手机打开。哪里啊？这里是负，这里是负，对吧？Yes, please make sure here is the negative, and here is the north. Here north collected with north. The negative collected with negative. The power is negative. Be careful. Make it be right. « 然后这个地方你不一定非得要把它全部都弄完，然后你就把最后一步给它交代一下。然后 the next step is collected this white line which connected with machine. You put with the laser source collected. Put it collected right. Collected well. Okay, the whole laser source setting up finished.